how to change shipping address on Mercari. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change shipping address on Mercari, and here is how to go about it. So I'm sure you know that while listing an item, you would be asked to to add a shipping address to the item that you're trying to list. So for you to change the shipping address or a particular item, it's not difficult. All you need to do is to move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. Then on this page, on the page displayed here, just scroll down and click on my listings. Sorry, not my purchases. And sure you click on my listings. So let's go back to home. Yeah, and then click on my listings instead, so that you can be taken to your listings page. So once you're on your listings page, you'll see the different tabs where your listings belong to. You can see active, inactive, ready to list, action required. And so all you need to do is to select the item whose shipping address you would like to change. And after selecting the item, you'll be taken to the editing page where you can change the price, you can change the pictures, you can add more pictures to the item, you can change different things. So once you can see that, just click on the pencil icon next to the shipping address and then make whatever adjustments you need to make. If you do want to change it completely, you can also do that. And then once you're done, you would have to scroll down to the lowest part of the editing page and click on save. And then just like that, your shipping address for that particular item would also be changed. So you can see how it works. This is how you can change your shipping address on Mercari. I'm sorry I can't show you vividly. It's because I have not made any listings so far on the Mercari site. But for you, it's something easy that you can just do. And I'm sure you will find it very simple. So thank you for watching and have a good day.